My friends, getting to that degree of financial success isn't only for the fortunate few. Everything depends on the habits we practice, the choices we make, and the attitude we adopt. 9 effective money habits that may direct your life toward plenty and prosperity are the keys to the treasure trove of financial knowledge I'm delivering you in this video. Watch the video till the end, as the last habit is the most essential one. Now let's start. 1. Planning for the long haul. Your current life situation is all your fault. Your decision-making in the past has led you to where you are today. Beginning your planning today will help you be better off in 10, 20, or 30 years. The goals they are pursuing are crystal obvious to all successful people. Those who don't muddle through life as usual. Delay getting married if you're just starting out until you're settled financially, have little to no debt, and have your savings in place. Learn from, appreciate, and attempt to be like successful individuals. 2. Choose the best job and career. Obviously, you can spend more money if you make more. Look at the salary of the top executive at the company you are contemplating to get an idea of your earning potential there. Examine and comprehend how the kind of your work affects your wealth building plan. Without needing to earn additional money, figure out what your largest spend is and control it. You are no longer restricted to earning a living through physical labor these days. Keep in mind, since your ideas are the most precious item you own, the only restriction you now have on yourself is your own imagination. Choosing a career you love will ensure that you never have to work a day in your life. 3. Change your attitude toward money. Understand that being richer won't make your issues go away. It's how you were trained to handle money, not how big your checkbook is, that's the issue. Because the wealthy understand money and how to utilize it, there is a growing gap between the rich and the poor. If you think of money as a seed, you should discover the best ways to sow it to get the best results. Doing this will result in you controlling your finances rather than the other way around. Your savings translate into money that works for you rather than the other way around. The aim is to make your money work hard over time and generate greater income for you. If you want more earning tips, then do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. 4. Credit equals bondage. Debt has a high cost. Every dollar you spend on interest on your debt is a loss. The typical investment yields around 13% over time, which is also around what you spend in interest on debt. In order to pay off your debts as quickly as possible, attempt to make 10% more in monthly payments. The smallest debt should come first. When you pay off one debt, you may apply the payments you were paying to another, perhaps tripling the rate at which you can pay off that larger obligation. Living beyond your means while using the bank's money is unwise and will certainly put you on the path to destruction. When using debt, be as careful as possible to pay it off in full. 5. Establish and adhere to a budget. You should sit down right now and identify the regular outlays that really don't matter to you as much as accumulating money. Examine how you might reduce part of your expenditure to accelerate the repayment of your debt or to increase your savings to do so. In reality, tight management and debt reduction are where wealth growth starts. 6. Make smart investments. A study of America's wealthy, defined as individuals who earn over $225,000 per year or have assets worth at least $3 million, found that between 27 and 30% of their total income was invested and saved. That is the reason they are affluent, not a side effect of it. Since investment knowledge is largely discernible in hindsight, true wisdom in investing is a challenging topic. Some investors focus their efforts on a specific endeavor they are knowledgeable in. Since in-depth knowledge and laser-like attention frequently result in financial success, this is a common formula. Just be certain that the investment is in something that generates income. The conventional method of investing is to diversify one's holdings among a wide range of assets, including cash, bonds, stocks, and real estate. This is due to the fact that various investment kinds perform better or worse depending on the situation. Ensure that the advisor's qualifications are verified and that you understand how they are compensated before hiring them. Loads, or upfront charges for investments, are unnecessary. 7. Develop the practice of saving. What economists refer to as the propensity to save is the largest single possible factor that might affect wealth. You cannot possibly accumulate riches if you spend all of your income. However, the miracle of time and compound interest increases your chance of becoming wealthy. The not enough attitude, which holds that if one doesn't save a lot of money, one would never become wealthy, affects a lot of individuals. All it takes to put you on the path to becoming a billionaire is to develop the habit of saving and avoiding debt. Ideally, you should be setting aside 15% to 20% of your monthly salary, and as you become older, this proportion should rise. Develop saving discipline and a regular saving regimen. One of the easiest ways to save regularly is to set up a monthly bank debit for a growth fund or money market account that offers high growth. 8. Think before you spend. Gain knowledge of the strength of little amounts. Try this. Save the receipts for everything you buy over the course of a month, including evenings out and that morning latte. Decide what you can live without, then put the money you save in a savings account. It doesn't matter whether you earn more money. Most people believe that they can spend more money as their income rises. An excellent way to avoid falling into the trap of impulsive spending is to create and adhere to a monthly budget. Keep in mind that every dollar you save is a step toward achieving independence. When you put it that way, you can see how a small investment of $20 here or there may have a significant impact. Money may be used to your advantage, thus the more of it you save, the faster and bigger it will grow. 9. Give yourself a tax break. So that you may pay less tax, try to reduce your taxable income. A few benefits and initiatives still exist that the tax man hasn't put an end to. You can get guidance in this area from a skilled tax advisor. Running your own business increases your chances of becoming a billionaire more than taking a job. Although the business owner benefits from more tax deductions and earns money for their services, selling their goods typically brings them their biggest return. A different path to riches is to exercise the stock options your company has granted you if you don't want to operate your own firm. That's all for today. If you want to watch more amazing videos, then please do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. Let me know in the comments if you are left with any query. Share this video with all of your friends. Thank you for watching.